Hello everyone and welcome back to the video. In this video, we shall be teaching you how to use Canva and create a flipping book. Now let's go ahead into the video. And right now we are here in our Canva website. And as you can see here, we have so many things that we can generate. So we can create any documents, any whiteboards, everything that we can think of. And for our flipping book, which is essentially a PDF that allows us to show it as some form of magazine, we can go ahead and create that. So we can create a magazine, a poster, a brochure, or any of these contents. All of the designs that we have is all entirely up to us, so we can go ahead and try that. So say for example that we want to create a magazine, then what I'm going to do is I'm actually just going to search for magazine right here. And then as you can see, we have so many templates that we can play around with. Go ahead and choose which one is, something that you would like to use. Say for example, I quite like this one. So it's a minimalist travel itself. Actually, it shows that this has some paid elements, so I'm gonna look for something which doesn't have that. Let's take a look at this one on the right side instead. As you can see, this does not have any paid contents, and it seems to have quite a lot of contents or pages into it. So let's go ahead and choose this one. And as you can see, there is already 7 pages which are available for us to use. So let's go ahead and use this. We will use this to customize our own magazine. So I'm going to be clicking on customize this template right here. And then this will then create or put us into our editor. And here we can go ahead and play around with the pages that we have. Again, Canva is quite powerful in terms of editing everything that every content that we have in here. So say for example, if you want to make changes to the names, let's set this to the sandy beaches. We can go ahead and do that right here. If you want to change this, we can go ahead and do that. Again, it is all highly customizable. If you want to add another section or another page, we can literally just click add page right here and add in whichever page that we want. So we can add this one, or if we want something quite similar, or if we want to create something entirely new, we can go ahead and design it ourselves as well. And what's quite nice as well is we can change the template style right here as well if we wanted to. Everything is again highly customizable. Now I'll be showing you how to generate this 8-page magazine that we have into a flipbook. All we need to do is go into our share right here on the top right. So let's go ahead and click share. Go all the way down until we can find the more option. So let's go ahead and click this. And then let's scroll all the way down until we can find a flipping book right here. There is also this additional way that we can use. We can use this other flipbooks, but these are all essentially other softwares that we can use to play around with our Canva. So once that we click on this, it will then ask us to log in, or if you're already logged in, then it will just create this small window right here. And also, by the way, if you have never used Flipping Book before, then this will create a free trial for you that you can go ahead and test out. Now you can go ahead and select the pages that you want to create as a flipbook. It is all right here. If you want to use all of them, then just select all of them. And then now we will click done right here. And let's go ahead and save. And as you can see here, this will then start to import all of your designs into a flipping book. And once that your design has been saved, here you are. So you can go ahead and view the flipping book itself. So let's click on this. This will then open us into a new page. which is our Flippingbook account. So as you can see here, it says that our content is being converted and our Flippingbook account has been generated as well. So this is our Flippingbook itself. It is highly interactive. As you can see, it is gauging us to turn the page. So if I click this and hold it, so it's kind of like an actual magazine itself, or we can just click this and it will go all the way at the back. So this is what the back looks like. This is what the front looks like. If we want to turn the pages, we can just click this right here. And as you can see, we've managed to create our flipbook already. Now this is entirely neat, so that this will allow us to see our design as if it was an online magazine, which is amazing. And then we have some other things in here that we can do. So if you want to, change some of the PDFs itself or some of the pages, you can go ahead and make those changes. You can also add links or videos into here. So say for example, you have this section right here and you want to make it as a playable video, you can go ahead and edit that. And once you're happy with your Flippingbook, you can go ahead and download it, or you can go ahead and share this as well. So here is the shareable link that you have, so that once that you copy this and send this to others, they are able to view the Flippingbook itself. And here is what it looks like from that page. And there you go. So you've managed to convert your Canva design into a Flippingbook. So go ahead and experiment with this. Have fun with using Canva and have fun generating your own Flippingbook. If you have any questions, just leave comments down below and we will reply to you once the video has been uploaded. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and we will see you guys next time.